The origins of the International Centre for Heat and Mass Transfer date back to the late 1950s, when there were two emerging technologies of space exploration and nuclear energy, both frantically pursued in the West and in the Soviet Union. This prompted scientists in those regions to search for scientific communication of managing heat and mass transfer. This led to the birth of a new journal exclusively in heat and mass transfer in 1960 called the International Journal of Heat and Mass Transfer. The ICHMT was founded in Yugoslavia by a group of prominent world scientists, most of whom were on the original board of the new journal in heat and mass transfer.
The International Center for Heat and Mass Transfer began with discussions between Brian Spalding and Professor Lykov in Minsk in 1961 during an all-union heat transfer conference. I remember pictures of Lykov and Spalding sitting on a hill, writing notes and talking and discussing. They decided that this center should be established to serve the broader community. And because of the geopolitical situation of the time, it was decided that it should be held in a politically neutral country.
The first meeting of the ICHMT was held on September the 16th, 1968.
This is a wonderful organization run by very good people. I know of this organization since I was a graduate student. I could see the conferences that they're organizing. I wanted to go to them. They do a lot of things on radiation, on heat transfer, but also on combustion, which is my field. And I have been going to many conferences that they have organized, and I organized a conference myself, the Mediterranean Combustion Symposium in Rhodes in 2015, and I interacted closely with the ICHMT. And I was very impressed with how organized they are, how professional they are. They helped enormously with mailing lists for people, with the production of the abstracts book. It has been fantastic to work with them.
International Center for Heat and Mass Transfer is founded with the aim to gather scientists all over the world who are dealing with the problem of heat and mass transfer and turbulence. And this is one of the very important part of science which is affecting our everyday life. And over the years it didn't lose any of its importance. The type of the problems are different, but every now and then we are facing new challenges and new problems. But in the same time we have very devoted scientists who are working very hard on such a problem. So one of the problems which I can mention is climate change, energy needs, renewable energy, etc.
There's a diverse community in here, and it was very nice to see people from Europe, from USA, from Asia, all interacting together. Different languages, but when we speak science, it's the same language.
And what I'm seeing here in Rio with THMT 9 is an excellent example of how the internationalization of the heat and mass transfer community has worked its way even more broadly than what I think even Brian Spalding and Professor Lykov may have envisioned.
Over past 50 years, we have over 40 institutional members from 30 countries. We organize about 120 events, conferences and so on. We have a BIGEL, an ICHMT digital library repository with about 120 events, proceedings, and we count that there were about 10,000 people that attended the meetings over the past year. ICHMT provides a unique apolitical forum for the world of leading heat and mass transfer scientists and engineers. Our mission is to pursue excellence and foster the international exchange of science and engineering in all branches of heat and mass transfer through symposia, publication, promotion of research, education, exchange of personnel for the benefit of the people everywhere.
The membership in the Centre is open to all non-governmental, non-profit, national and international organisations working in the field of heat and mass transfer. The Centre also offers various awards and medals in recognition for contributions to the field and for travel to conferences organised by the Centre.